Hi guys, today we are going to play the Minecraft 1.12.2 and today we're going to make a video. I think it need to be named record. I think it will be better. Game mode survival, generator type default, bonus chest on. So we can be easier or we can off. Are we creating new world? Utilitarian. That took so long time. Okay, now we start at right here. I think we can take some mushrooms. And some seeds. Maybe we could have some. Some wolves. Okay, let's open to lane. Oh, cheat. And back to game. Today I will going to teach you guys a code that will not let you become die and losing your old items. First, keep. No, it's not like this. It's game rule. Keep. But don't forget this. This is the important one. Keep in the uppercase in inventory true. Let's see, open to like allow cheat. Let's do it one more time. And just pause right there. And now when I keep going, we're going to press this out. Press this out and let's try this out. Do not have permission using it. Let's see. I need to do it one more time. And now I have another code. It's like the house was right here. You want to set the house right here. Just using this. Spawn point. Press it down. And then you will be always spawn right here after you die. And then when you kill, you have everything on your body. This episode will just teach you guys this 3 code. In the next episode, we will start playing our game, or we will start some. We'll make the width. Okay, let's keep going. Now when we done the wood produce, we need to start doing. When you want to collect the things like those, 2 times press it. And you can get everything. You don't need to like press everywhere. Done. Now let's go to like dig some rocks. And let's just skip after I let the all wood done. After we clean all the woods, we will come back. We will come back. Now we're back to again. I'm done my whole, I'm done. I broken one of the wood pickaxe and I make just like a little home. So I will be moving this my working table into my new home. And then I will make some wood. I'll make a furnace and I will let the wood become like a coal, but it's like wood coal. Burn it into, I forgot how to say that. Oh yeah, charcoal. I'll burn it in charcoal and make some torch. But easily torch can use in the coal and the wood coal and the charcoal. But I can. And now it is time for me to here's my window. Now my goal is to dig down What? And then I'm done my whole episode. Bye. See you next episode.